ako budget po. Are we still on track, sir? On time? What are we expecting in the days to come po? Since, tama ba, sir, tapos nyo na po yung interpellation last Friday?
Yes, oo. So today sana yung period of amendments, and then tomorrow sana yung second reading, and then we'll give the members some time to look at the clean copy. Pero since umurong lang naman ng 1 day, so tomorrow will be the period of amendments, and then hopefully matapos namin lahat. And then Wednesday, andito nakasulat. Wednesday will be second reading. And then next Tuesday na ang magiging third reading. So
Mm-mm.
mabibigyan natin ni members over the weekend basahin yung clean copy.
Mm-mm. Sir, anong epekto
Just to
nung...
compare it, kasi before, ang process is amendment, second, third reading all in 1 day. No? So
Okay.
walang time yung members na basahin yung mga amendments. So ngayon, we will give time to the members to read the amendments.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Sir, tama ba? So, wala nang session hanggang ng Thursday, Friday? Unlike what happened.
Dito sa proposal ko, wala na. Kasi pag Wednesday tayo magsa-second reading, so we need
Oo.
3 days, di ba, to do the third reading. Monday, holiday eh. So,
Kaya,
yun yung isang complication eh. So, that's why Tuesday tayo magsa-third reading. So, after
mm-mm.
that, that's December 9. After that, may 1 week para i-prepare lang yung mga documents, and then we'll go into BICAM.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Sir, anong magiging epekto nung nangyaring sunog since though today nga hindi kayo nagkaroon ng pasok para ayusin lahat, pero like what you said, sir, yun nga, basang-basa yung session hall, tatanggal yung kisame.
Um,
Expecting delay, sir,
Actually,
because of
ang
that?
pinakiusapan ko na lang yung mga kasamahan natin na um, mag-session tayo bukas kahit na holiday. Kasi kung
Mm.
magse-session tayo ng Wednesday for period of amendments yun, talagang madedelay yun. Siguradong madedelay na yun. So, pag tomorrow tayo magse-session kahit holiday, at least 1 day lang yung pagitan, hindi tayo madedelay. So, okay naman yung mga members na pumasok tomorrow kahit na holiday. Alam ko ang setup is yung mga empleyado na mayroong kinalaman sa session, papasok. Lahat na wala ng kinalaman sa session ng mga empleyado, they will take their holidays.
Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Sir, how do you see so far this 2026 budget? Nangyari po ba yung goal ninyo, transparent, and all?
So far, nangyayari naman, like for example, nag-upload na tayo nung committee report, at merong mga civil society organizations na humingi ng Excel format. So we provided them the Excel format. Ito yung RFID, yung group na RFID.
Mm-mm.
Ang nag-spearhead dito si Mr. Ramon Del Rosario. So meron na silang mga analysis on the budget. In fact, pinadala na ko. Of course, marami silang mga comments, marami rin silang mga suggestions. So we're taking that into consideration. So the next will be uploading the third reading version. Hindi rin yan nangyari in the past. So ngayon, upload na natin para makita ng mga budget analyst yung movement ng budget.
Sir, last on my part, sorry sir, pwedeng isa-isay natin sir yung dates ninyo hanggang
Okay,
maipasa po ninyo. So,
sige. Ito, tinitignan ko ngayon. So, on tomorrow, December 2, period of
mhm,
amendments.
mhm,
December 3 will be approval on second reading.
mhm,
December 9 will
mhm,
be the third reading.
mhm.
Tapos yung hopefully masign namin yung BICAM report December 16. Tapos ang tentative na signing ng budget will be December 29.
Wow, lapit nun sir ah.
Malapit na. Talagang
Wait siya sir.
paspasan siya.
Oo. Sir, sorry,
Paspasan
isa
siya.
na lang. Kailan po ang start ng BICAM nito sir?
Ang tentative namin na schedule is December 11.
Okay. And where will the BICAM be held, sir?
Merong isang venue na recommend sa may Intramuros. It's a government property or
Okay.
government venue. So they will allow us to use it for free. Babayaran lang namin yung caterer. So at least makakatipid tayo in that sense.
So, isa na lang, sir. Gano'ng katagal po yung BICAM, sir? Inaasahan natin.
Ilinagay namin dito, hopefully 11, 12, 13, 3 days.
Okay. It is. Sir, that's all from me, sir. Pasa ko po sa ibang reporters. Thank you, sir. JV, sorry, sinong
Yung
next?
3 days, depende kung gabi nga ni Sen Ping, bakbakan na. Depende gaano kahaba yung bakbakan o usapan. Pero hopefully naman in those 3 days, makahanap naman kami ng agreement.
Sorry, sir. And live siya. Mapapanood po sa
Yes,
YouTube.
live siya. Yan ang suggestion ni SP Soto.